All right, we're in phase 2 of James' care today. We're going to give him some chiropractic goodness. So he's going to get an adjustment, and he's got a little bit of rehab that he's doing. So we're just going to kind of hang out while Dr. Hamilton gives him a spinal manipulation. Works on his total body.
On this side, please.
James, that's my favorite adjustment, the one you just had.
Yeah, that feels so good.
Doesn't that feel amazing? Can you breathe better?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, he has ribs that go out on a regular basis. Relax. Shoulder back. All right, young man, relax. Jump. Other side,
Sweet.
please.
That sounded good.
Oh, yeah.
Doc, what's this adjustment for?
This is for any kind of lower back or hip discomfort. James is a skier and he has a lot of impact that goes into the lower back because high impact and high speeds he travels at on your back.
So good.
And relax.
Sweet. Anything to be afraid of there, James?
No, it feels good.
Sweet. Good job.